This is Maria.
And this is Romy. Maligayang Bati. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will share how we spent our vacation in Bohol, Philippines. This is the first part, so please watch out for the last part coming soon. It was a pleasant afternoon and we were greeted by the driver who brought us to the hotel.
We have booked our accommodation at one, if not the biggest beach resort in Baclayon Island, Henan Resort, Alona Beach. We got the premier room. It has a balcony with pool view. There is a marble-clad bathroom with separate shower and a bath.
We took advantage of the time to have a walk around the property, and as it's already dinner time, we opted to have dinner at Christina's, one of the restaurants within the resort. Then we had a walk at Alona Beach, which is just a few steps from the resort. There are heaps of restaurants and entertainment, including these guys playing with fire.
On the second day, we had an early start with a buffet breakfast at the Coral Cafe. Lots of dishes like tocino, fried chicken, mousse a la pobre or milkfish, to mention a few, and lots of Korean dishes for the many Korean guests they have. I opted for garlic fried rice, dried fish, and bangus a la pobre.
First destination is the Chocolate Hills. You cannot go to Bohol and not visit this unique and breathtaking landscape. We have shared a separate video on this, so please watch if you haven't yet.
Then, for the second destination, we visited the Tarsier conservation area. It has a small body, a little bigger than a rat. Don't you think it looks like a small version of Yoda, the Jedi from the movie Star Wars?
We drove along the Bilar man-made forest. It is also known as the Bohol mahogany forest, with mainly white and red mahogany trees. It is part of a reforestation project started 50 years ago by the local government.
Then we went to the Xzootic Animal Park and Butterfly Garden. Here we saw the Burmese python, including the albino ones. They were just there in the open, not caged. They were moving but not reacting much. The guide told us that these were brought in that place as eggs. They get fed with chicken once a week, preferring native chicken only. We saw a few animals like the Philippine monkeys, parrots, and others. But for this video, we show a couple only that we haven't seen before. Then we went to see some butterflies. We were given a couple of butterflies for photo opportunities.
By this time, we are feeling hungry, so it's an opportune time to go to lunch while cruising the Loay-Loboc River. Tata brought us to the Verde floating Resto. There are various Filipino dishes in the buffet, but we can eat only as much.
So yummy.
There is entertainment on board. We found the river cruising relaxing. Then we had a brief stop to watch and join the Itinerary presentation. There's an opportunity to also dance tinikling, but we did not risk our fragile legs and feet this time.
Baclayon Church is the second oldest stone church in the Philippines. The building was made of millions egg whites that were said to have been used as cement. It was constructed from coral stones taken from the sea near the church. The interior of the church is abundant with eye-catching displays like the crystal chandelier, altar with gold decorated carvings, silver tabernacle, life-size statues, and paintings on the ceiling.
Then we went back to the hotel and sat by the pool, just resting and talking. And we decided to have a walk outside the resort and have a light dinner. That's how we spent our first 2 days in Bohol. Shout out to our guide Tata. Many thanks for watching. Maraming salamat.
See you in our next video. Bye for now.
Bye.